If you are working in SharePoint every day in your organization, this update directly affects you. Microsoft has quietly redesigned the SharePoint Home Experience, and most users don't even realize what changed. If your SharePoint home page still looks like something like this, you are not alone. Don't worry about that. I will show you how to enable the new SharePoint experience. To enable the new experience, first you have to go into the SharePoint Admin Center and then click on the settings gear. From the settings gear, you will see this section as new SharePoint experience. You have to click on this new SharePoint experience and then you have to click on this checkbox, enable SharePoint experience. When you click on this checkbox and then click on save, the new experience will be available. But before we do that, let me just go and walk you through what changes has been available in the new SharePoint experience, Microsoft Learn document page, where it says if you want to enable a new SharePoint experience, you must be having the SharePoint administrator or a global administrator rights as discussed in here. The second thing it says about what has been changed. The SharePoint start page has been replaced with Discover. The SharePoint app bar is refreshed with newer experience that I'm going to showcase you in this video. The new app bar has two new destinations, a publish and a build destinations. I'm also going to showcase that to you and other options. So now let's go and enable and save this particular new experience toggle. So when I click on save, now I should be able to see the new experience. This is the old experience. When I go and refresh the page, you will see this type of new SharePoint home page. You will see these four navigations in the left hand side: Discover, Publish, Build, and OneDrive. I'm going to talk about them one by one. So when we are in the Discover section, we can see all our overview about our SharePoint intranet site. Into SharePoint intranet, we can click on the sites to see what are the different sites are available to us, recent one, favorites, or suggested. If we have any people, all these things are available, but a new experience is available to us, right? When I go in Publish, I can create new page or new news post using this section of Publish command, where I will see all of the available pages inside my SharePoint. All type of pages are available. If that can be in a draft status, if it is published or not published, or whatever it could be. And it also shows us the unique viewers of each page. If there are any news post, which is going to be filtered by this, and if there are any pages which can filter by them as well. If you want to create a new page, you can simply click on this page and then it will land us into the templates gallery. As you all know, there are a lot of new templates are being added by Microsoft every day inside this template gallery. So as you can see, there are a lot of templates, new templates are available for us to create a page based on it, right? So that is what we have in Publish. We have pages, news post. If you want to show the analytics, see the analytics, how each of the sites and each of the page are performing, how many unique viewers it is having. All these analytics are also part of this new design. When we click on build, we can create new artifacts. For example, SharePoint site, if you want to create SharePoint list, document library, or a SharePoint agent, we can create from this page. I don't have a license into this particular SharePoint site or SharePoint tenant. That's why it's not enabled to me. Otherwise, I am able to create an agent as well. When I click on site, as you can see, this is a new layout of the same thing where we can see a site template such team site or communication. I can select. And if I want to create a new list, I can create new list, new form, a gallery view of that, calendar view or board view by using the Excel CSV or existing list. I can do that. When I click on OneDrive, my whole OneDrive is directly available from this particular page. So I don't have to go a separate tab or separate link for OneDrive from now on. So this is a very good enhancement. It is very cleaner, simpler layout considering the old layout, which I can say, where in the new layout, we see the the tile view, and all the available values are directly available inside this four left hand side navigation. Let's say this is still in preview, so if someone don't like it or they are not comfortable in using this particular view, there is a toggle button available at the left hand side corner. It says you are in the new SharePoint experience right now, but if you want to turn off and go back to the previous experience and add bar, you can simply toggle it off. So if I toggle it off, the page is refreshed, and now I'm back to my old way of using the SharePoint experience with F bar and my navigation. If I want to come back to the new experience, I just simply toggle this on and my new experience is available to me.
If you work with SharePoint or Microsoft 365, I regularly cover updates that actually matters, not just feature lists. Next video, I will show you some more SharePoint improvement tips. So subscribe the channel if you don't want to miss those updates. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.